Okay, guys. So, I answer this question. Huh? Oh, that's how you play. I'm not gonna end the game. Why am I bald? I have to. Hey, that's why I'm bald. That's why I'm innocent. Wait a second. Okay, now it's generating. Every time it's regenerating, every time it lags. Why am I still bald? Oh no. Okay, now wait. I'm filming. Wait a minute. Let's see. Please let me in. I can't because of the strong tomato. Hey, I got in. Alright. I don't know how to do this. F-U. Hey, stop acting 18. Don't stop it. Hey. It's not funny. Now I'm still alive. Stop. No. What? I'm back. I'm not bald no more. Wait. Okay. Come on. I'm inside of it. Stop pushing away. Look, I didn't know. After coming, I think I have died. If I would have died, I'd be dead. For real. Exactly right under the covers. Because I didn't want to see in my video. It is not funny. Please. There we go. Now we got space. I'm not near the W. I can't control. It's literally every time. Huh? Not every time. I can't control it. Come on. You better move before the tornado gets us. How we drove through here, right? I don't know. I can't control it. I can't control it. I'm really right here to figure it out. Come on, please. Come on. Come on, please. Come on. Please, you got it. You got it. Back up, little guy. Back up, little guy. There's some more. But now there's like 3 people in here. Oh. Okay. I do not want to ruin the horse's job. Here's the camera. Oh my god. What? Never mind. I thought it was stuck. Whoa. Come on. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Wait, why is it lagging? Oh. It's just regenerating. I thought it was just lagging for no reason. Let me wait for it to generate. And I wonder if it's always lagging this. It's picking me up. Oh. Giving me up. And we have one time to even go a chance to go in the truck. It drives faster than me. I wonder why. Where should we go? At a house? Where's the tornado? Oh, stuck in that car. Weather service. Wait. Hey, go down to the bottom. Hey, you girl. Basement. You're already at the basement. Oh. Okay, so good. Oh, I knew he wasn't waiting for me. I just did. Where's that? No. I'm not scared. Don't go to anywhere. My God. Like, literally. Like, I mean. I'm pushing it to go over there. That is really dangerous. Where's he? Huh? Where's he? I don't know where he is. Let me just go do a see. I'm really lost. Why is he in the way? Now I can't even play Brookhaven. That's why I haven't played Brookhaven in a long time. Did that car just move by itself? Move! Move, you truck drivers. Hold on. I thought that was a person. I thought that was a person. Huh? Which way is it driving? Where are you going over there? Hey, stay for me. Oh. I almost crashed into that car. I crashed into it. Go. Come on, Tom. Wait. What did you do? Oh, no. David. That one is right here. Let me move. Let me move. Let me move. I'm a professional vlogger. I kind of know how to spell say that word. I think it's WeChat already. I knew it. Come. Oh my god. Okay. Regenerating. Okay. Anyway, no, I can't do that. This is the other one. Of course. Let's start it. There we go. Hey! Okay. I just got hooked in the way that I got hit. And they hurt. What about I want to be a tree? No, that's not what I do. Maybe here? I don't know how to go in there yet. So weird. This is in my next video. I'm gonna play it on me. Oh no, I am not going over there. Definitely not going over there. Okay. Make sure to get ready to end this video and like and subscribe.